dismount.
Okay. I need one scout on beast duck, okay?
Perfect.
Careful. They're gonna look soon. Careful. They're looking.
They try to run small gate.
Okay. I need some detanks on the small gate also. I think punish is the caller. Dear bro. Hold. Ayaw pag fake. Uy, ikaw naman ako engage.
Lagi.
Yo, they're looking. Come northeast. You can foot check now, no see.
Holding lang to.
Pwede mo yung northwest kaya.
Only Nirvu and Donnie. Nirvu and Donnie and Boss Mark fake west side. 3, 2, 1. Fake now.
BS stacking yan. BS stacking na.
Come northeast. They're gonna open it pass, okay? Ready drop on me, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come southeast. Kite southeast. Def now. Kite southeast. We need help. Come southeast. Stabilize. Brawl here. Don't go outside. Brawl here. Boss mark ready.
Ready.
Look at me northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omino.
Moving this na southeast.
Heal up here. Stay here. Brawl here. Heal up. Yo, brawl here. Brawl inside. Come southwest now. Don't panic when they walk in, boys. All good.
They go in.
Kill this guy. Okay, come southeast now.
They going gold.
Where's beast duck right now? Come southeast. Come southeast. Yo, on me southeast. Come. Where's beast duck?
Going northeast mo. Northeast ng middle. They can castle maybe. Gold castle.
Okay, mount up. We go back to castle. I'm northeast.
Okay, wait lang.
May mga loot pa
Switching.
dito sa ano.
Okay, loot. Yo, catch this guy. He's looting. Arwan.
2 seconds.
Okay, come back. Mount up. We need to go to the castle. Mount up. Loot and mount up. Let R1 loot and Chris. Come. Come, see. Come in.